You can delete a pair with either calling the remove function or unlet command. With the remove function, you pass the dictionary and then name the key that you want to remove. The name will delete it from the dictionary. If the key does not already exist in the dictionary, the function will throw an error. With unlet command, you can either specify the key with bracket notation or dot notation. And just like the remove function, both notations throw an error if the key is not present in the dictionary.